This is Queen Bee with another nail tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you the proper way to prep the nail prior to putting false nails on. So today I'm going to be showing you the proper way to do that. What you will need, get a pen and a paper if you're a beginner. What you're going to need is your drill, cuticle pushback, hand clipper. I prefer the straight edge one, clipper, file, and cuticle. Okay? All right, let's get started. So first, I like to take off all the extra nail we don't need to have. So we're gonna get that off. That one's good. We'll just shave that one. All right. Second thing I'm gonna do is clean it up. It doesn't matter which order you go in for this, and this is not a must. You're gonna put false nails on. I just don't like the straight edges on there, so I just round those off. That's a personal pet peeve. All right. Second thing we're gonna do is push the cuticle back. All right. So you see this big ridge here. You're just gonna lightly push it back. You want to hold your cuticle pusher flush to the nail and just gently push back. Make sure you get the corners. As you can see, it took all of that back. I'm gonna go to the next one. And gently push that back. As you can see, all of that has been exposed now. So you're gonna continue the same step on all fingers. See how that is exposed now? All right, so now you can see all of this has been exposed. That's what you want to get off of the nail right here, because that's what caused lifting. If I would have never pushed the cuticle back, my cuticle would still be sitting here, and all of this would be what would be causing lifting. So you have to remove that. I'm gonna clean the surface of the nail. So I'm gonna cut our drill on a low speed. All right. We'll start with the thumb. Go to that corner there. You want to take that off. Make sure you pull the skin back if you need to. Get up under there good. And then while you're here, you're going to just take the shine off the nail. Okay. Always hold your drill as flush to the nail as possible. So not at an angle, because you don't want to drill a line in. You want to hold it as flush as possible, okay? So just try to get used to holding it as flush as you can to eliminate putting rings in. I turned the drill up just a tad bit. But you do want to make sure this is a slow process. You don't want to, especially if you're new. All right, it looks like we got some goofy stuff down in there. There we go. So the proper way, if you were doing a client's hand, I'm going to show you, because this is awkward because I'm doing my own nail prep. But if you were doing your client, you would use your zones, okay? So you would, you know, start here. And then here. And then here. You'll clean that surface off. And then you'll come around and get the cuticle area. So I'll show it to you one more time. All right, again, it goes on 1, 2, and 3, and that's just to make sure you remove the shine from the nail. Then you're gonna go around the edges to remove all of that gooky stuff that grows up under the cuticle. And this is the part where you want to be light-handed. So if you're heavy-handed, this is definitely when you want to become light-handed. You don't want to be drilling in too hard. You just want to lightly take the shine off and move that gook out your way. Okay? Some people do not need to have their cuticles done, but some people do. So for me, my cuticles are not really that bad. I'm gonna look at them a little more, but they're not really that bad. But once you see overgrowth growing, like maybe this in the corner, you want to go ahead and cut it. This, I'm gonna trim a little bit off my thumb. All right. So this is a prepped nail ready for tip applications. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments and I'll get back to you at a timely convenience. For more videos, you want to like and subscribe to Queen Bee Nail Hive. My Facebook is Queen Bee Nail Hive. My IG is dollhouse_nails_Tampa. Make sure you like and subscribe to all of my social media platforms. It is greatly appreciated. Peace, love, and happiness. You guys have a great day. And until next time, have a great day.